Okay, so for number 16, it's molality. So I have molality equals moles of solute over kilograms of solvent. And so I'm going to be looking for grams of water. So water is going to be my solvent. And I'm giving the molality and I'm giving the grams of my solute. Now I need moles of solute, so I'm going to change the grams to moles. So 34.2 grams of C6H12O6. And I'm going to get rid of grams and I'm going to change it to moles. So how many grams are in 1 mole of C6H12O6? If I look that up, I get 180.156. So I cancel out grams. And so I have 34.2 divided by 180.156. And that will give me 0.1898 moles. Okay, so now I have moles and I have my molality, so I can solve for my kilograms of my solvent. So I put in 0.258 for my molality, and I put in 0.1898 for my moles, and I will solve for the kilograms of my solvent. Put this over 1, cross multiply. 0.1898 equals 0.258 kilograms of solvent. Divide both sides by 0.258. And you get 0.735. I'm just going to write it as 0.736 kilograms of my solvent, but notice that the question asks for it in grams. So I'm going from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, so I'll back it up 3 times, and I have 736 grams of H2O of water. Alright, so on number 17, I'm going to, notice it says ionic solute. So what I need to do is I need to write the formula for this. Iron 3, that means it's plus 3 up here. Sulfate is going to be SO4 and it has a charge of 2 minus. Cross these and you'll get Fe2SO4 3. So that means that there are 5 ions in this whole thing. So when I get my answer, I need to multiply the whole thing by 5. So let's do the molality. Remember, molality is moles of solute over kilograms of my solvent. And so the moles of my solute is going to be iron sulfate. So I need to change my grams of iron sulfate to moles. And so I have 13.4 grams. And I'll get rid of grams and change it to moles. And so you see what iron sulfate is. If I do the molar mass, I get 151.908 grams in 1 mole. So I'll divide that and get 13.4 divided by 151.908, and I'll get 0.088 moles. Okay, so I get my moles, and then again I need the kilograms of my solvent, so I need to change this to kilograms. So I'm going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, so I'll back it up 3 times, and so this becomes 0.0953 kilograms right there. So I have moles and I have kilograms, so I can go ahead and divide. So molality equals 0.088 over 0.0953. So I'll do that in my calculator, and I get my molality should be equal to 0.926. And that's your answer for number 17.